Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Moto G54 Power, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume down button. So just mark them together, tap and hold, and wait a couple of seconds. Just a few more. And now you're in fast boot mode. All you have to do now is to use volume down or up button to locate restart. Actually, this one, and then tap on power button. Tap on start again and wait a couple of seconds till your phone is rebooted. And that's it. Now just unlock your device and use it smoothly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.